guys, it is Sunday again, 12 o'clock, but, you know, went to church, gonna go hit up a few sales. Even that sale, got some PlayStation games, $3 for these 4. So I have a feeling that that second Tenchu game is gonna be worth a little bit more. Just seems like sequels tend to do a little better. Also, like, have you guys noticed? It seems like PlayStation 1 games are like on the rise as far as value. Haven't had my coffee yet. There's a sale there that I just left. Picked up a Champion Kings jersey for Weber. It was $1.50. It doesn't have a jock tag though, so that's kind of suspect. Have you guys picked up any jerseys that are Champion jerseys without their jock tags? Like, it seems really weird to me. I'm just leaving this garage sale. Picked up a pair of shape-ups for $2. Back on the Sunday. Throw a few more things on the table here. Spent $6, so nothing crazy. Here's the addition. You got the Skechers shape-ups with the box. They're not like super cool looking, but they're in great condition. And I never knew like the original price, but back then I guess almost $110. So these weren't cheap. But I think they got in trouble because of their marketing. Get in shape without setting foot in a gym. So based on condition, like this one sold for $30 plus shipping, but I'm probably gonna shoot for somewhere around this one, like that $50 mark plus shipping, because those are in really nice shape. Here are the video games. I don't find video games too often, so, but when I find them, especially, I'd never heard of Tenchu. I'll pick up the oddball ones. Crash tends to do pretty good. I think Parasite Eve's pretty good too. It's a square, soft RPG. Oh, this one's missing a disc, so you could still sell it. Oh wait, it's not. It has disc 2 as well. Very cool. It's complete. Yeah. Unless there's a third disc. So yeah, 3 discs. I'm missing 1. So it has the full game. It just doesn't have this demo disc, so it's still sellable. And here's a comp without the demo disc as well. So with Tenchu, I'm probably gonna do this. Just bundle them together. Crash 2, you know, like 15 free shipping, $12.99 free shipping. So I'm sure most people know about video games. Nothing new here. Easy to replace the jewel case on that, but you know, it adds up. Like $3, and this is potentially what, like 20, 60, like $75 in sales. And here's the Champion jersey. I mean, to me it looks good. It's got these, I don't know, but I could use your help if you guys think it's suspect. The screen printing looks like the other ones I've seen. But this, there's always a jock tag. I guess, I mean, I read a little article where they say that some kids used to like take off the jock tag, but you'd think that you would see evidence of that. I don't know. If I should try to sell this, what would you guys do? So I guess this is a little suspect too. It's like the screen printing is a little bit off. Like you can see right there, doesn't line up correctly. This might end up in my closet. Alright, so this is what's available right now to purchase. None of the black ones have sold recently. We got 2 of the white ones, and it would be a size, that would be a size 44, which is a large. And that's it, guys. Didn't find too much stuff, but I was able to find a couple of things, you know, late in the day, like at the end of the weekend. So, you know, let me know what you think. If you like this type of video, it's kind of quick. appreciate you spending time with me, and hopefully I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.